So now you have your violin or your viola all set up with your shoulder pad. Now it's time to put the instrument in playing position. We start in rest position. Remember, this is your right hand over here that is holding your instrument in rest position. The 4 steps: grab, you grab the shoulder; out, you hold the violin or viola out away from you. If you want to, you can support it underneath if you don't feel comfortable. Then we go up, where we bring that instrument up over our shoulder, ready to come in for a landing right here on our shoulder, between our chin and our shoulder. Make sure that your head is going straight forward. Your violin is actually off to the side, kind of coming out of my cheek over here. I don't want it out of my ear. I don't want it down here on my chest, coming out of my nose. I want it up over here. And even if you're very careful, you can keep your hands underneath here, and you should be able to hold it for about 5 seconds underneath your chin only. Okay? One more time. Go grab, out, up, on, and then we're ready to take our pizzicato hand, put that thumb right on the fingerboard, and then use our pizzicato finger to do our string.